for bestportlandrentals.com, 503-274-4066. We're looking at a one-bedroom apartment at 5311 Southwest Corbett Street. This is a downstairs one-bedroom. We recently put in hardwood floors and energy-efficient windows. And this is the living room area joining to what most people would use for the dining room area by the balcony. And you can see it's a really great large room, practically a whole wall of windows. So it really gets terrific light. Right here you're looking out towards the river. So you can see it's a pretty open view. Nice big sky, a really great place. It's a drippy day today, but in the summer and spring, it's just wonderful to have that outdoor sitting area. So as you enter the living room and go towards this balcony, which extends past the door, so it's a good large balcony. To the left of the dining area, you have the kitchen. So, nice thing about the kitchen is it's open format, so you can see your guests. It has a dishwasher and not bad cupboards. Nice countertop burner arrangement. Then going back to the hallway we came in on, we'll check out the bedroom and the bathroom and some more storage. So, as we come down the hallway, this is an extra closet, water heater, but you can see really good sized closet space right there. You also get additional storage in the basement. You get your own storage locker, which can easily fit a couple of bikes and a bunch of boxes. Really good space, extra space. This is the bathroom. Kind of basic bathroom. Nothing too exciting here. But it does have a tub and heat lamp and fan. Then at the other end of the hall, this is right near the front entrance. This is the bedroom. So again, really terrific light. We're still doing a little cleaning. And you do get one assigned parking spot. So you can see there's a good sized closet in here. That's probably 6+ feet, 7-foot closet. So, nice closet space. In addition to the energy efficient windows, we've insulated the attic and done some other work. So, the bills should be pretty good. Electric heat. So that is 5311 Southwest Corbett. It's about 2 blocks from the river, so there's a really pretty walkway down there. There's a Zupan's down Macadam, so market not too far away, and restaurants. It's a nice neighborhood, very easy public transportation as well. So 5311 Southwest Corbett, this is number 7. And you can see more at bestportlandrentals.com, 503-274-4066, bestportlandrentals.com.